So hello students, welcome to my channel. I am the teacher over here and today I am going to read out the summary of this chapter, Nazism and the rise of Hitler. So let's begin. After the defeat of Germany in the First World War and the resignation of the Emperor, the parliamentary parties met at Weimar and established a democratic constitution with a federal structure. This was termed as the Weimar Republic. This government was forced to sign the Treaty of Versailles with the Allied forces, whose terms were very harsh and humiliating. Germany could not manage the financial crisis and faced hyperinflation in 1923 when prices of goods of daily use increased sharply. The years of the Great Depression 1929 to 1932 further damaged the German economy when production and the employment reduced drastically. The multiple crises in the German economy paved the way of Hitler's rise to power. Hitler promised to build the strong nation and the injustice of the Versailles Treaty, restore the dignity of the German people, and create opportunities for the unemployment people. After acquiring power, Hitler started dismantling democratic rule by the Fire Decree of 28 February 1933, which definitely suspended civic rights freedom, like freedom of speech, press, and assembly. Enabling Act. The Enabling Act of 3rd March 1933, which gave Hitler all his powers to sideline parliament and rule by decree. Hitler's racism was borrowed from the idea of Charles Darwin and Herbert Spencer. The Nazi thinkers believed that the strongest race that would survive and the weak ones should perish. Hitler started implementing his ideas about creating a pure racial community of Nordic Germans. Jews, Gypsies, blacks were classified as undesirable and widely persecuted by various measures. Hitler hated the Jews, made them the worst sufferers in Nazi Germany. Hitler believed that a strong Nazi society could be established by teaching Nazi ideology to the children. The youth said to join Jongbul from the age of 10 till they become adults. Females' role in Nazi Germany were limited to being good wives and productive mothers who reared pure blooded Aryan children. Women who maintained contacts with Jews, Poles, and Russians were severely punished. Atrocities and sufferings that Jews had experienced during the Nazi killing operations called the Holocaust. The world came to know about this by the diaries, notebooks, and archives preserved by the camp inhabitants of the period. So, in between 3 minutes and some seconds, we completed the summary of this chapter, Nazism and the rise of Hitler. In the next video, we are going to write the question answer of this chapter. So, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and just wait for the next video.